Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the wipeout command. So for that I will just type here the wipeout. See WI on the top you can see wipeout comes. So you just press the enter and now for I just wanted to wipe out this drawing which I have drawn on the screen. You can see this two rectangle basically I just wanted to wipe out. So for that I will select here my first point and see it is saying the specify your next point. So just click here and it is saying now specify your next point. You can just specify in this way also. Let me make it as a you can specify as many points you just wanted to be. See you can just specify. Once you are done with specifying, now I just don't want to specify any more points. So I will just press enter. See, so you can see the drawing which are available which was available here, now it is not. See, you can see basically we just wipe out this drawing, right? So this one was our first method to wipe out any drawing from the screen, right? Now let me show you another method. Now let me type wipeout. Before that, let me make it as a rectangle here. One rectangle. Uh, See, I just made this rectangle, right? Now just exit from the command. Let me type wipeout command. Wipeout. Just press the enter. Now this time I just wanted to be go with now. Last time we have just gone with the frame. Now this time I just wanted to go with the polygon. Basically I just click on this polygon option and now polygon tool is now activated. So it is asking you select a close polygon. So I just wanted to be select this polygon. Basically I just wanted to hide these two objects. For that I just created one this basically this rectangle to basically wipe out this, right, with the help of polyline. So I will just select this polyline and it is asking erase polyline. You can just select yes or no. If you select yes, then your polyline won't visible on the screen. If you select no, then your polyline visible on the screen. So let me select on the first no and press enter. See, this polyline we just selected a no option. That's why this polyline is visible on the screen. While the drawing inside the polyline, which is basically wipe out, right? So in this way, you can just wipe out your drawing from the screen. Now, let me tell you why we are basically doing this some part of the drawing making the wipeout. So so basically, guys, when you are working on the some basically on the drawing and you just don't want it to be some part of the drawing to be visible on your screen or in your drawing basically while you are presenting your drawing in the meeting or anywhere else. You just basically don't want it to be some unwanted part of the drawing which are not useful, uh, basically which are not valuable for you currently right now. Then you can just wipe out this drawing, right? And while you are making the print of the drawing and you just don't want it to be some unwanted part of the drawing, basically some unwanted part you just don't want it to be on your print paper, right? So for that you can just use this wipeout command.